Welcome to Impact Phase 1, where tech meet mystery. Unlock powerful digital skill, master new tech, and follow your future. One shot at a time. Subscribe, learn, and level up. All at Impact Fuse. Subscribe to our channel. Good morning, and welcome back again to our channel today. In today's video, it is another moment of creativity. It is another time to exercise our know-how. It's another time to perform. Okay, let's go deep into this video and just see how we are going to come out with another logo. Okay, just follow me step by step as we move in. Please remember, impactors are my creative mind people. Creativity is something that is constant. You have to practice it every day. Okay, our application that we're using is a PixelLab application. If you don't have this PixelLab application, you have to download it. Don't forget to run down to the description. You are going to see the link to resources folder. Just click there. You are going to see the PixelLab link. So you click on this link, you get to Google Play Store, then you can download the application and install it in your phone, and you are going to enjoy creativity of the highest order. Okay, so the first thing that we are just going to do here is that we need a circle. Okay, we just need a shape. So insert the shape here, I will take this over. So this is what we need here. This is the first thing that we need in coming out with this logo. Okay, so the next thing, I need to turn on the color to be a black color. Okay, remember, most of my creativity, or most creative minds, they use this white and black spacing to create amazing logos. Okay, so I change this one also to white. I'll just change the color here to white. Okay, so I keep this on white. Now I need to reduce this this color. Maybe I just need to reduce the color, but it's not, the outline that I need is not going to be that much. Okay, so always keep everything in the middle center alignment, so that your alignment should balance very well. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. This is what I want. I just need to merge these two. Okay, I merge these two shapes. So I take merge, then I get out of the white spacing. Okay, I'll just get out of the white spacing by taking erase color. Erase color will help me to get out of the white spacing. So I increase I increase the outline. Okay, I increase the outline. So the next thing that we are going to do there is to also just get another shape. Okay, I'll come here to add. I'll take shape. I'll need now a square. Okay, I'll need a square now. A triangle, sorry, need a triangle. So we are going to keep this triangle here. Okay, so I believe somebody may already get what we want to design here. So I keep this triangle here. Please, I make sure that it touches the border up and it touches down also. Okay, and it touches down also. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, so this triangle is okay. I can now take it. Now I just keep it here, then I take another copy of it again. Okay, I take another copy. So when I take copy, I just need to bring it here. So let's use this one. Okay, now I need to take positioning to position it very well. Okay, so I bring it here. Then I have to reduce the size here. Okay, I'll reduce the size here. Oh, sorry, I am. Please always make sure to lock a layer whenever you are done. Okay, so I can lock this too. So I continue working on this one alone. Okay, I continue working on this one alone. So this one also, I'm going to keep this one here, but I need to take it a little bit back. Okay, so it can be here like this. Now we need to get something also. We just need to get something again. Okay, we just need to take another copy. Now we just need to take another copy again. Now I'm going to bring this copy here. Okay, I can increase the size a little bit. Then I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to rotate this one. Okay, so when I rotate it, what did I need to do? I just have to rotate it. I reduce the size. When I'm reducing the size, I'm very careful. make sure that it can fit here. Okay, please, if you are watching this tutorial up to now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, tell us where you are watching from, so that we can drop greetings from you in our next tutorial. Okay, so I'll also make sure that it falls at the center, but not actually at the center. I have to take it up a little bit, a step. Okay, so it can be here like this. So this other square here, I'm going to send it to front. Okay, I'm going to send it to front. Now this is the technique that we are going to do here. So this is not just for about this logo, we are going to start doing something now. So now the circle that we inserted first, the first circle that we inserted, I'm going to bring it to front. Okay, I'll send it to front. I'm going to send it to front. So this is how it's going to look like here. Okay, now sending it to front, what is the next thing that I'm going to do? I have two options here to do. I have a lot of things that we're going to do here. Okay, so okay, now sending it to front, what is the next thing that we are going to do here? I'm going to make sure that these shapes that we just inserted, I can give a shadow, but remember, reduce the blurriness of your shadow. I can keep the blurriness at 3. Then I give my the x-axis, and then also we give the negative axis. Okay, so please, you have to be careful when you're working with this one. Okay, you have just to be careful here, because any little mistake here, it can destroy all the design. Okay, so I keep this one at -4. Okay, -4 also. Yes, I keep this one as -3, no issue. So now we need to go down to the other one, the middle one also. We give it another shadow there also. Okay, we give it another shadow, reduce the blurriness, then you give the shadow there. Okay, so after we give all our shapes some shadows, now it is the time now to do the matching. Okay, so you just take match. We have to match all the shapes here, so this have to now start working together like one. Okay, so after keeping it all like one, the next thing that we are going to do here is to make sure that this is now the final stage. Okay, this is now the final stage of this design. So I'm going now to take copy. I'll just take to copy this logo here, because we need to copy, right? So I can hide this other one, then I work on this one. When I finish working on this one, then we'll go to the next one. Okay, so now I'm going now to take what? I'm just going to take a crop. Okay, I'll take crop to crop it. Okay, so I crop all the from to this part here. Okay, so I cut all of that part off, and that is the first thing that I need here. So now we can bring out the other parts. Okay, we are also going to take crop here. We are also going to take crop here, and now remember where we crop and end. Okay, somewhere here we end it there. Okay, so now we resend everything back here. You see, it is still going to be the same circle, the same over. So now the next thing is that I can give it now a background. Okay, I'll be using an image now for this background. Okay, so this is the background color, the background that I prefer, that I'll be using for this logo. So I'll just keep one side on pure white. Okay, so now I'll keep this side on white. Okay, pure white. I'll just keep it on white color. Okay, so now also the other side, now I just have to give it some stroke. Okay, I need to give it some stroke. Like the stroke that I'm going to use here is the black stroke for this side now. Okay, so make sure that you position it very well. Make sure that everything is well positioned. Then this other side now, okay, this other side now, I'm going to give yellow color there. All right, I'm going to be using the yellow color on this other side. Okay, so just scroll down your colors, you get the yellow color there, then you keep it. You can just enable some outline also, just give it some stroke also. Like you can use the white stroke, there's no issue on the stroke that you can use here. Okay, there's no issue on the stroke that you can use here. So This is just another way to create your own personal logo. So now you can now merge back these two logos. Okay, you can now merge back these two logos so that they become like one logo. Okay, so that they become one logo. Just merge these two logos now. Now it becomes a single logo. Okay, you can now position it. Then you give it a name. Just give the name that you want to give. I'll just put here name. Okay, I'm just going to put here Ole name. You can now give your own name that you want to give. But this is just like a technique to design a logo. Okay, so I'll just put there your name. Okay, your name. So this is just logo design technique. This is not actually a logo for the company that is somebody requested, but this is just like teaching you, like, it is a passion. It is something that I always do with love. It is always my desire every day, okay, to see that at least I create something. Like I said in one of my videos, if you are a creative mind, that means that every day you have to be at work. Every artwork requires everyday usiness. Okay, if you want to to go into artwork, just remember yourself that every day you have to be working. You have to be touching something. You have to be cooking something. You have to be boiling something so that you don't keep people waiting for so long. Okay, that is why even some artists. That is why when you see some artists on the stage today, just give them some few weeks, you won't hear of their name again. They drop one album, they will never see them back again. Why? Because hard work requires a lot of creativeness. Okay, you have to be ready to work, and every time you have to be ready to take off yourself from everything, just to make sure that you are always working, so that you come out with something. So this is the amazing logo, and this is the final view of this logo. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe, and tell us where you are watching from. See you in our next video.